Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're here at Lake George, Colorado, just below 11-mile Reservoir. We've got 11-mile river, about 100 feet this way. We're just here getting camp set up. We're hoping to catch some fish. Of course, we're going to have a good time whether we catch fish or not. I'm pretty confident we're going to catch fish in this absolutely amazing river. We got camp set up. We've got Eddie and Erwin and David here and myself. We're gonna get some supper started here pretty soon, and can't wait to eat. It's gonna be delicious. I got Eddie here, David back behind me there, Erwin's over there chopping wood, and we got some tents set up here for camp, and we're gonna have a good week here. Try to document as much of it as we can, and hopefully get some good content for you. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. Eddie's cooking up some breakfast before we go fish, so hopefully we're gonna have a good day. We'll go check in with Eddie and see what he's cooking up for us. What are we having this morning, Eddie?
Burnt bacon, hash browns and scrambled eggs with salsa verde.
Good morning, everybody. This is day 3 here at 11-mile Canyon. Getting ready to have some breakfast. Gonna walk down here and see if I can get y'all on the water. Show you what we get to wake up to every morning. Our campsite is right over there. River is about 60 feet this way. See if I can get you a view of this beautiful river. There's got to be some trout in there. I know there is because you can see them. I'm gonna see if we can get on some of these trout and see what we can do with them. Try to get some footage on the water with the GoPro and see how we can do. See if we can catch any. We caught yesterday morning. We caught 2. Hopefully today will be a little better. It's been a little warmer this morning already. Maybe that'll help with the hatch. Yesterday morning we had some wind. Bugs weren't flying a whole lot just because of the wind and causing problems, so we'll see how it goes. That's what we're trying to imitate with our flies. These little boogers will be everywhere once it warms up.
350 degrees. About 25 minutes we'll have biscuits.
Been out fishing this morning. I didn't catch anything this morning. It's about, let's see what time it is, 2:20. Just kind of grabbed a bite to eat for lunch. May go back out here in just a few minutes to see what we can do. I was down watching some guys. They had a fish that was coming up to feed, and they let me stand around and film. Caught some pretty cool slow motion of a fish coming up to feed, and it happened to be coming up to feed on his fly. Unfortunately, he yanked it out of its mouth before I had a good hold on it, but got some footage for you. It's a pretty neat deal, pretty neat to watch, and I guess kind of just in the right spot at the right time. But I'm gonna go back out here in a little while, take the GoPro, see if we can get some footage and maybe get on some fish this evening. I'm gonna be headed home tomorrow, so this is my last chance at it, but we'll see what we can do. Morning, everybody. This is my last day here. I'm headed home. Fishing has been kind of tough. The first day I caught 2 in the morning time. Fished pretty hard for the next 2 days. Didn't have any luck. Had a few strikes. Had one strike that broke me off. Had a few strikes at a few other little things. But anyway, the guys are staying for another day. They'll be coming home tomorrow. Wish that they would catch something. Hope that they catch something. But anyway, I'm gonna head home, and we enjoyed the good food as always. Eddie did a great job of putting this trip together, and you know, he's always good at that, picking out the sites, making accommodations. Had all the food, great food, not just camp food, but I mean, we had some really good stuff. Anyway, I'm headed home. You know, even if you don't catch any fish on a trip, how can you be disappointed with a view like this? I mean, look at that view. Just big rocks, beautiful river. Let's cross the side. Let's take a look at this side. I mean, just beautiful landscape. So here's one more spot I wanted to show you as I'm traveling out of here. This is just the entrance to the canyon. If you look this way, there's still a little bit of canyon walls, but it really starts to get narrow right here. River just, you know, comes in. It's kind of a meadowy, flat type river down here in the bottom. And then this side over here is where the canyon really starts. Just look at that view. Look at it one more time. I hate that I'm leaving, but I gotta get home. So hopefully this trip goes well. So I got a little hungry on my way home, so I'm gonna set up here at this rest stop and see if I can get some supper, get something going, just something to snack on before I continue home. So this trip to the river, it's a little rough for us, or at least for me it was. A few guys out of our group, there was 4 of us, and I caught 2, had another guy catch a couple, maybe, 1 or 2. Of course, they're still there, so I don't know. I don't know how they're doing since I left, but hopefully they're doing a little better. Like I said, I'm headed home already, so I'm stopping to see if I can get something cooked up. The camping was fun. Had some great food. It was a little tough fishing. Luckily, we had some good company. A beautiful place. The 11-Mile Canyon was a very, very pretty place. I'm ready to get home. And should be there in just maybe 3 or 4 more hours. So here we're cooking up some of the finest Dinty Moore soup. You know, it's about 5 o'clock. We had a late breakfast. I didn't really eat much for lunch, light lunch. I kind of started getting hungry. Thought I'd stop and pull the old kitchen out and make up some beef and potato soup or stew. It's kind of nice being able to just have all this at your disposal. Finally made it home. Thanks again for taking this trip with us. We didn't catch a lot of fish, but we had a lot of fun. The 3 other guys stayed there. They'll be coming home tomorrow. Hopefully they did a little better today. We'll have to find out from them. But thanks for tagging along, and don't forget, keep rambling.